So, today I'm going to unbox my jewelry box that I got for my most recent birthday, which was my 18th. I have not opened this at all, so all the tape is still on it. So, this is pretty big box. It's a little bit has some weight to it. So, I could just peel the tape off, but I recently had my X-Acto knife out for a duct tape art piece that I was making, so I'm going to use that to cut open the tape. Okay. So I've got that. I'm going to put my X-Acto knife away before it hurts someone. So I'm going to open this. Okay. Okay. Now. So, this is what it looks like. Stupid lid. In the box here. So, open this up. And figure out how to. Oops. Okay. Okay, this has been this challenging me a little bit. Might need to go like this. Okay, I ended up having to flip the box upside down in order to take it out. I'm taking it out. It looks like this right now. I think it's the other way around. I'm gonna pull it the other way around. It's got some weight to it. So this is what it looks like right now. I have to be very careful when I take these things off, because I think there's a glass piece on the top of this box. Okay. I could use this for another craft. I'm going to save that. I could also use that. Okay. So I'm opening this like this. So on YouTube, I watch a bunch of different channels, and they have a bunch of different content on them. One of the channels I watch does unboxing videos, so this is my first attempt at an unboxing video. So I just looked in it, and it has, oh, wow, okay, those drawers come out. So that's the glass top. This is a drawer apparently. So there's that. There's these things, which barely anyone uses. Just gonna throw them away for now. There's also another one in the top here. I'm gonna throw that away. Might keep that, I don't know. Does have any information? Okay, this is just how to keep it in best condition. So, I'm going to throw that off to the side. I'll read that later. So, the top of the box. Oh, dear. Top of the box. Oops. So, let me try that again. I'll hold the drawers closed now. Top of the box looks like this. So, I'm going to close that. I like having jewelry. I've got a Pandora bracelet. And in a later video, I will tell you the meaning behind all the charms, because the charms have a meaning or a purpose, or a reason why they're on here. Or they're connected to a memory I have, of something. And, so, there's that. I also have this ring here, which I made in art class with lost wax casting. So you make it, so with this one, you get a blue wax mold, you make your thing, you put it into a studio that specializes in doing this stuff, and, when they put, like, the silver in, the wax kind of disappears, and then you get your ring. Mine, I didn't have a gem on it, which would have costed extra money. I had, like, a certain type of glossy finish on it. Roughly cost about $40 to $50, to get turned from wax into a silver, a sterling silver ring or something weird like that. So now, sidetrack, sorry. But I mean, I am opening a jewelry box, so how sidetracked can I get? So now I'm going to open the first drawer and see what it has here, what options I have here. Ooh, there's a lot of options for rings in here. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So I can put my ring here. Lots of options. Awesome. I could put it anywhere I really want. Right now it's going to be on my finger. Now, not my ring finger, just my pointer finger. Another one of these packaged. We're going to throw that away for now. I'm guessing this spot here is for necklaces. Okay, first drawer needs to go back. I'm guessing this spot here is for necklaces to go in. So I have one. I have a Pandora charm necklace here as well. This video, like my other videos, are not sponsored by the people who made that, by the brand of jewelry box or by Pandora. I just, I like getting products from Pandora as gifts for, like, birthdays and stuff, because they have, like, meanings behind them, they have reasons, and, the people who got them for me because there was a reason behind it, and so I've always loved getting charms and everything. So, yes, this is my genuine reaction to this jewelry box. It's got some weight to it, I'm not gonna lie, but it's got a lot of space for new jewelry to go into, so I can't wait to fill that up. So I hope you enjoyed my first unboxing video that I ever did, and you check out more of my videos, and subscribe. My name's Morgan. My channel obviously is Morgan Jolly Does More. And I haven't said my name in any of my videos before. I just said it's just my channel, But yeah. So, my name is Morgan, from Morgan Jolly Does More. Check out more of my videos, and like and subscribe. So, yeah.